Ready to stream your smartphone's music through your car's speakers in 30 seconds? Great, let's go! Open your new iSimple BluJax Bluetooth adapter and plug it into a power supply. The light blinks red when charging and blue when it's finished. Is the light blue? Great! Push and hold the control button for 3 seconds. When the light is flashing, it's ready to pair. Now look at your smartphone and connect your device to your BluJax. Plug your BluJax into your vehicle's aux input. Select your aux input on your radio and go ahead and enjoy your music. The BluJax is the simpler way to connect the music on your phone to the speakers in your car, your home, or anywhere you have an aux jack. BluJax memory can store 5 devices and even comes with an extension cable, so you can plug it in when space is tight. You can even have 2 devices connected at the same time. Using BluJax is as easy as pressing a button. Wake, play, pause, forward, and reverse. It's simple and long-lasting. With over 8 hours of battery life, iSimple simplifies your complex life. Listen to your tracks with BluJax.